Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today, I'll be making the most delicious cilantro and goat meat salad. It's gonna be flavorful and delicious. Alrighty, let's go make the salad. Fresh, vibrant flavors of cilantro complements the rich, gamey taste of goat meat. I have marinated my goat meat, and next I want to toss it in my air fryer so that I can grill it. While that is going on, I'll be working on my vinaigrette. If you have watched my channel and my salad recipes, you know that I make the easiest vinaigrette. So it's basically oil, black pepper, salt, lemon juice, and I'll be stirring all of this together to bring the flavors together to combine properly. And to this, I'll be adding sesame seeds just to make it really tasty and interesting. So, if you are a sweet tooth and excuse me, love tangy tartness and sweetness combined together, go ahead, add some honey into your vinaigrette. My vegetables that I'll be using today are tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro of course, and rocket. So in this video, you see me here chopping my vegetables into chewable sizes, and my cilantro has been washed and stored in this water. It keeps it for at least up to a week. Now, I cut off the stalk, which I'll be using to make some healthy herbal tea. I'm not throwing that out. So bring in all your vegetables together. Please feel free to adjust the quantity and seasoning according to your taste preferences. You can add ingredients such as bell pepper, avocado, or even feta cheese for extra flavor and texture. Now our goat meat is ready. Let's bring that out and bring all the vegetables together. So I like to mash this slightly guys, do not forget that. I like to mash it slightly so that by the time I add my vinaigrette, every part of the vegetable is coated in this sweet, tangy, tart vinaigrette. We made this together. Appreciate it if you can like this video. Leave me a comment. What did you think about this recipe? Is this something you're gonna try? And you wanna consider subscribing. All I have for you today, the most delicious cilantro goat meat salad. I am gonna give it a try. Let me know if you are going to give this recipe a try. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing for more content like this. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you.